Hey guys, this is Kristen at Cooking in the County, and today I'm going to bring another Crockpot meal. It's going to be a barbecue chicken stuffed potato. Now, I've never made this before, so this will be my first time, but it sounds delicious. You're going to be cooking the meat in your Crockpot. You're going to cook your baked potatoes in the Crockpot, and then we're going to stuff the potatoes with the chicken filling. It's going to be delicious. It's kind of cold and drizzly here today, so I think this will be a great meal. So here's a list of ingredients you're gonna need to make these barbecue chicken stuffed potatoes. So you're gonna need 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds of boneless chicken breasts, 18-ounce bottle of your favorite barbecue sauce, 1/2 cup of Italian salad dressing, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 4 to 6 baking potatoes depending on how many you need for your family. And some options for the top would be some cheese, sour cream, and chives. Okay, first thing we're going to do is, as always, because I love to heat up my crock pot before I use it, let's turn on my crock pot. It's on and it's warm. This recipe calls for 1 pound or 1.5 pounds of chicken. I have 1 pound of chicken in here and it's frozen. I'm going to throw that in the bottom of the crock pot. To this, we are going to add 18 ounces of barbecue sauce, the barbecue sauce that you like the most. We like Bullseye. So, it's going in the crock pot. Put that right on top of the chicken. Okay. Also, you're going to need 1/2 cup of Italian salad dressing, and of course I didn't have any, so I just made some up really quick. But just get some Italian dressing, and you can make your own too. It's real simple. It's just oil, vinegar, some Parmesan cheese, a little bit of garlic, salt and pepper, and this is another little Pampered Chef thing that I have. Like I said, I probably should be sponsored by Pampered Chef. I use so much of their stuff. So you just need 1/2 cup of that Italian dressing. That on top. Whoa. You're going to use 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Okay. Sugar. And a couple shakes of Worcestershire sauce. I struggle with that word all the time. Just put it in there. They say a couple teaspoons. That's what I'm doing. That is it. That's all you need for your baked potatoes stuffed with barbecue chicken. Put it on high. 4 to 6 hours. Really, just depends on your chicken. Take a look at it. But I'm gonna be about 6 hours. Okay? So there's that. So the next thing is you're gonna need some baked potatoes so you can stuff them with this filling. Either you can just bake them in the oven for an hour before your meal is ready, or you can put them in your crock pot as well. So I'm gonna get my other crock pot and I'm gonna show you how to do baked potatoes in your crock pot. Okay, now we're going to do our baked potatoes in the crock pot. Now I have this old dinosaur of a crock pot, but it's really good just to save your old ones just in case you want two going at the same time. So we have our chicken filling in this crock pot, and we're gonna do our potatoes in this one. Once again, I have this crock pot is on high. I'm gonna cook these potatoes on high. They're gonna cook about the same amount of time as the chicken filling. Now we all know potatoes can be finicky. Sometimes they'll cook very quickly, and sometimes they don't ever wanna cook. So we're just gonna pray that they're gonna cook in the same amount of time. If not, just throw them in the oven real quick. But we are gonna do this and show you how to do this. So tonight I only have 4 people eating, so I have 4 baked potatoes. I'm gonna get some 4 pieces of tinfoil potato, a little bit of olive oil. All you're gonna do is drizzle that on your potato. Massage your potato all up. add some house seasoning, salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic. Sprinkle this on top. I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna throw it in the crock pot. That's it, baked potatoes, done. You can cook them like this in the oven as well. It does kind of change the consistency of the potato. Tastes great, in my opinion. And if you like eating the skins, this is a great way to do it. Wrap them up. And a crock pot. Okay guys, I'm gonna finish up my potatoes. I'll be back in about 6 hours to show you the rest of the meal. Went by quick. You can put that in your crock pot the night before and just turn it on your way to work. And you're gonna have some really yummy stuff for supper. And if you don't wanna do a baked potato, take that filling and put it in a shell, put it in a wrap, maybe barbecue chicken wraps, put it in a sub roll or something. How delicious would that be? Toast it in the oven, put some cheese on top. There's so many different ways you can do stuff. You don't have to do it exactly how I show you. These are just ideas. Okay guys, potatoes are in the crock pot. We'll be back in about 6 hours to get it all together and have something yummy to eat. Okay. Hey guys, it has been almost 5 hours almost 6 hours since we put our chicken in our crock pot. So we're gonna get it and we're gonna shred it just like we did our chicken nachos. It looks really good. It's been smelling so great. I know I look probably a little rough. It's been a long day. I had a lot of baking to do. My kitchen is warm, but I wanted to get this on the plate for my family to eat. Okay, so we're going to take 2 forks and we're just going to just shred this up just a little bit. Our potatoes cooked exactly the time I wanted them to cook. They're cooked all the way through. They look great. I didn't have to do anything. Just throw this all in the crock pot. I did all my baking and now supper is ready. So just breaking up so easily. Smells so good. Like I said, this would be great in a wrap to make a barbecue chicken wrap. Okay, Murph, honey. This would be great in a wrap for a barbecue chicken wrap. Okay, also it'd be really delicious on a toasted hamburger bun, and then put your barbecue chicken and then some coleslaw on top. That would be divine. But today we're gonna do on the potato. So here's our potato. I cut one open because I knew it was gonna be hot. And we're just gonna take some of this chicken, put it on top. I think it would be delicious with a little bit of cheese, some sour cream. It smells so good. Look at that. Looks so good. I'm gonna try it because I've been smelling it all day. Very good. And it's gonna be, depending on the barbecue sauce that you try. I'll try it with the potato. That's very good, guys. That's great flavors with just a few ingredients. All right, guys, here's our crock pot meal for the week. Throw it in, forget it. Put your baked potatoes in there. They all cooked beautifully. Or you can cook them in the oven, you don't have to. But anyway, try this, guys. If you like my videos and you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and hit the like button so you know every single time I post another video. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.